Have you ever gazed at the night sky, stars scattered like diamonds, and felt a profound sense of wonder? That feeling, that awe, is the beginning of a deeper journey. We yearn to understand ourselves and the universe we inhabit. This curiosity drives us forward. This thirst for knowledge, for meaning, leads us on an inner quest, a quest that is both ancient and timeless. This journey of self-discovery is not a solitary pursuit. We walk this path together, learning from one another. Humanity has developed powerful tools to guide us: psychology, spirituality, and philosophy. These tools are our companions on this journey. These disciplines, though distinct, offer profound insights into the human experience. They help us navigate the complexities of life. They illuminate the labyrinth of the mind, the depths of our being, and the complexities of existence. Each insight is a light in the darkness. Join me as we explore the profound insights offered by psychology, spirituality, and philosophy. Together, we will uncover the secrets of the mind and soul. Discover how these disciplines can empower you to transform your life and unlock your full potential. The journey begins within. Let's embark on this transformative path together. Psychology delves into the fascinating world of the human mind, exploring the depths of our consciousness and subconscious. It seeks to understand our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, unraveling the intricate patterns that shape our daily lives. Its tools can help us navigate life's challenges, offering guidance and support when we face difficult times. Through therapy, we can address emotional wounds, break negative patterns, and cultivate healthier relationships, fostering a sense of well-being. The insights of psychology empower us to become more self-aware, helping us understand our inner workings. We learn to recognize our strengths and confront our limitations, paving the way for personal growth and development. Psychology provides practical strategies for managing stress, improving communication, and boosting self-esteem, essential skills for a balanced life. It helps us understand the complexities of human behavior, fostering empathy and compassion for ourselves and others, creating a more harmonious world. Spirituality beckons us to explore the intangible realm of the soul, inviting us to delve deeper into our inner selves. It's about connecting with something greater than ourselves, a force or presence that transcends the physical world. This connection could be through faith, nature, art, or profound experiences that touch our hearts and minds. Spirituality is a deeply personal journey, unique to each individual. It invites us to seek meaning and purpose in life, to understand our place in the universe. Many find solace in prayer, meditation, or connecting with a community of like-minded individuals who share similar beliefs. Spirituality can foster a sense of inner peace, acceptance, and gratitude, helping us navigate life's challenges. It reminds us that we are part of something vast and interconnected, a cosmic tapestry. This awareness can be deeply comforting and inspiring, offering a sense of belonging and wonder. Section 4. The Quest for Wisdom. Philosophy's enduring power. Philosophy, the love of wisdom, challenges us to question our assumptions and explore fundamental truths. It encourages critical thinking, logical reasoning, and ethical reflection. From Socrates to Simone de Beauvoir, philosophers through the ages have grappled with life's big questions. What is the meaning of life? What is the nature of reality? How can we live a good life? Engaging with philosophical ideas can expand our worldview. It encourages us to think critically, challenge our beliefs, and live more intentionally. Section 5. A Tapestry of Understanding. Integrating the three disciplines. Psychology, spirituality, and philosophy are not mutually exclusive. They are interwoven threads that together create a rich tapestry of understanding. Psychology provides the tools to explore our inner world, while spirituality connects us to something beyond ourselves. Philosophy offers a framework for making sense of our experiences. By integrating these disciplines, we gain a more holistic perspective on life. We can live with greater awareness, purpose, and fulfillment. Section 6. Your journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery is a lifelong adventure. It's about asking questions, exploring new perspectives, and embracing the unknown. Psychology, spirituality, and philosophy offer invaluable tools for this journey. They provide insights, practices, and wisdom that can help us navigate life's complexities. Embrace the opportunity to explore these disciplines further. The insights you gain will empower you to live a more meaningful and fulfilling life. The journey begins with a single step, the willingness to look within.